Welcome to this technical guide on the lifespan of uninterruptible power supply or UPS systems. We'll cover longevity, maintenance, and replacement cycles for electricians, engineers, and homeowners. This video will provide a comprehensive understanding of how long UPS systems typically last, focusing on key components and factors affecting their service life. We begin by defining the total system lifespan, specifically distinguishing between service life and design life for your power protection equipment. Service life is the actual duration of operation, typically 3 to 5 years for batteries and 10 to 15 years for electronics. Design life is the theoretical maximum duration under ideal conditions, which can be 20 plus years for the electronics. The heart of the UPS is the battery. Standard VRLA batteries last 3 to 5 years, premium lead acid 7 to 10 years, and lithium-ion, or LiFePO4, can last 10 to 15 years. VRLA batteries require the most frequent replacement. As you can see, choosing the right battery chemistry significantly impacts the necessary replacement cycle and overall system dependability. Beyond batteries, critical components include capacitors, which typically last 5 to 7 years. Failure can cause board damage. Cooling fans are the only moving parts and usually last 7 to 10 years. Failure leads to overheating. Maintaining these non-battery components is crucial to maximizing the service life of the entire UPS system. The number one killer of UPS longevity is heat. The Arrhenius Law states that for every 10 degrees Celsius increase above 25 degrees Celsius, the chemical life of a lead-acid battery is halved. For example, 45 degrees Celsius cuts battery life to just 1 year. This illustration highlights how increasing temperature drastically reduces the expected lifespan of your UPS batteries, emphasizing the need for proper cooling. Usage patterns also impact wear. Frequent discharges or cycling wear down capacity faster than standby mode. Operating the UPS above 80% capacity generates internal heat. Finally, dust and humidity in the environment cause corrosion and block airflow. Controlling cycling frequency, managing the load level, and maintaining a clean environment are essential for extending the longevity of your system. Proactive maintenance includes a visual inspection every 6 months for battery swelling. Run quarterly software self-tests. Vacuum dust from intake vents. For larger systems, tighten connections to prevent hotspots. Following this checklist will help ensure your UPS system remains operational and dependable when you need it most. Key signs of impending failure include physical battery deformation, constant loud fan noise indicating aging bearings, and repeated battery low alarms even after a full charge. Recognizing these warning signs allows for timely intervention, preventing sudden loss of critical power protection. A standard maintenance timeline starts with installation and calibration. Plan for VRLA battery replacement around years 3 to 4, a system audit and capacitor/fan refresh around years 6 to 7, and full system replacement by year 10. Adhering to this timeline minimizes the risk of component failure and downtime, maintaining optimal protection. The ongoing cost of ownership includes battery replacement every 3 to 5 years at 30 to 50% of the UPS cost, and a capacitor kit every 7 years. Full replacement is necessary every 10 to 12 years. Here are some expert pro tips. Homeowners should buy a UPS with user-replaceable batteries. Engineers should oversize their UPS by 20% to reduce stress. Electricians should always label the battery install date clearly. Thank you for watching this video. Protect your equipment by protecting your power. For further questions, you may contact the provided support email or visit the website. This slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.